Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some major updates that just took effect on October 1. If you're here to get the lowdown on SNAP benefits, EBT cash assistance, property tax rebates, or anything in between, you're in the right spot. We're also going to touch on summer EBT payouts and the latest on work requirements, so don't go anywhere. Now, if this is your first time here, welcome. On this channel, Financial Futures, we cover all things shopping, saving, and making sure you stay informed about the financial support programs that can help you out. We've got so much to talk about today, so hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss a thing. And while you're at it, go ahead and show your girl some love by hitting that like button. It helps me continue bringing you all this essential info. Alright, first up, let's talk about what's happening with SNAP benefits and summer EBT money. If you're in Missouri, make sure you check those cards because I hear money's starting to drop. Missouri fam, tap and let me know if you've gotten your payout yet. Now, word on the street is, in some states like Delaware, you might not see your summer EBT money hit until Christmas. Yep, you heard that right. Some people have called up their DCS offices and been told there's no guaranteed deposit date. Listen, you all, I don't make the news, I just report it. Nebraska folks, this is for you. DHS sent out a second round of letters to people who haven't used their summer EBT funds yet. So check your mail. Federal law requires that you use your funds within 122 days. Or 4 months after they've been issued, or else that money gets returned to the USDA. And let's be real, nobody wants to lose out on free money. So please, check your cards and spend that money before it expires. I know some of you all didn't even know you had these benefits, so if you're not sure, call customer service and verify. I'd hate for anyone to miss out on those funds. Okay. Let's talk about the cost of living adjustment, or COLA, that kicked in today for SNAP benefits. Some of you might have noticed a small increase in your SNAP payout, though I know many people were disappointed by how small those increases were. A lot of folks are only seeing an extra $1 to $5 a month. Seriously, y'all, $1 doesn't even buy a single item at Dollar Tree anymore. I mean, the Dollar Tree is $1.25 these days, so I feel you. Drop a comment below and let me know how much you received from the COLA adjustment. It's not much, but it's something, so I'll include the new adjustment amounts on the screen so you can check those out. Hopefully, we see bigger changes in the future, but for now, every little bit helps. Now, here's something big that went into effect today: new SNAP work requirements. The final phase of the Fiscal Responsibility Act just kicked in, which raises the age exemption for work requirements to 54 years old. So starting now, if you're between the ages of 18 and 54 and able-bodied, you need to work at least 80 hours a month to keep receiving SNAP benefits for more than 3 months in a 3-year period. If you're in this age group, you should have received a notice about this by August 30. If you didn't, definitely contact your local SNAP office to get all the details. Remember, this affects a lot of people, so don't miss out on your benefits just because of a missed deadline. Speaking of benefits, let's switch gears to EBT card replacements and scams. Virginia, I'm looking at you. As of today, October 1, stolen or scammed EBT benefits in Virginia will not be replaced. This is a tough one to understand because, on a federal level, Congress has extended EBT replacement benefits until December 20. This means that if your card was skimmed or your benefits were stolen, in most states, you can still get that money back, but not in Virginia. For the rest of y'all, especially if you live in areas impacted by hurricanes or other disasters, you can still get replacement benefits if you've lost your card. Just make sure to report the loss ASAP. Every state is handling this a bit differently, but most have 24/7 hotlines, and you can call them to get your card reissued. Next up, property tax rebates. If you're a homeowner in Montana, You can now apply for a property tax rebate of up to $675 for the 2023 tax year. To qualify, you must have paid property taxes on your primary residence in 2023 and lived in the home for at least 7 months out of the year. The rebate depends on how much you paid in property taxes, and unfortunately, homes held in LLCs aren't eligible. There's no direct deposit option for this rebate. You'll receive a physical check in the mail. So if you live in Montana and think you might qualify, head over to the Montana Department of Revenue's website to apply and get those funds. Now, let's talk about California's Guaranteed Income Pilot Program in Sacramento County. If you live in Sacramento, you could qualify for $725 a month under their Family First Economic Support Program, and there are no restrictions on how you can spend that money. It's designed to help families cover whatever they need, whether it's rent, bills, or just making ends meet. To qualify, you need to have a child under the age of 18, and that child must be African American, American Indian, or Alaska Native. You also need to live in a specific zip code in Sacramento, and your household income must be less than $44,000 for a family of 2. This is a game changer for a lot of families, so if you're in Sacramento, don't miss out on this opportunity. Before we wrap up, I want to remind everyone that replacement benefits are available for those affected by hurricanes in states like South Carolina, Florida, Ohio, and Georgia. In Florida, you have until October 6 to apply for those replacement benefits, so act fast. If you're in South Carolina, the state will be sending out text messages with updates, so keep an eye out for those. Now remember, replacement benefits are for people who already received SNAP but lost food due to a disaster. However, disaster SNAP benefits, also known as DSNAP, are for people who normally don't qualify for SNAP but need assistance because of a natural disaster. Louisiana is one of the only states offering both replacement and disaster benefits right now. Alright, friends, that's all I've got for you today. October 1 has brought a lot of changes, and I'm glad we could break it all down together. Let me know in the comments how these updates are affecting you. Did you get your summer EBT? How's that cost of living adjustment treating you? Drop a line and share your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, take care of yourself, your family, and your finances. Love you all, bye.